Hey, this is the DIY Magician with another grab bag special. We go to thrift stores and we find the grab bags, we bring them back here, we open them up, and we have fun in the process. So hang on, we'll be right back. Yeah, it's on the small of the back. I can't see. I need a magnifying glass, but there's some sort of purple-haired doll. So we got that. We have a Care Bear, and it's got Care Bear on its little backside there. It is a Care Bear. Does it smell? Yeah, it smells not real good. It's the Rainbow Bear. The Rainbow Bear. Rainbow Care Bear. There's the Rainbow Care Bear. Here is the Flower Care Bear. I don't know what he is called. I don't know if that's what they're called. Stay. Stay. There we go. Okay. We have... I don't know what it does. Makes a weird noise. But it looks like a... What is that? Maybe it's a cow? It looks like a giraffe fur, but but it's not. Let's see. Palace Pets. This is a Palace Pets. It's a cat. Okay. Palace Pets cat. Stay there, Care Bear. Come on, Care Bear. Well, we'll put Palace Pets right there. And then another Palace Pets here. Okay. So that's it. We did it. We did it for $1. Woo, $1. It actually finishes off my Yo Gabba Gabba collection. This little guy here from one of those other kid shows. I'm sure you'll tell me what it is. Purple-haired doll. A cow, I think, that makes some weird noise. 2 Care Bears. A fancy dress. A fancy bag. A Barbie bag, and 2 Palace Pets. They look like a dog and a cat. They even have little crowns. That's it. We did it. Another grab bag special. Hey, guys and gals, thanks for coming along for the journey. For those of you who've been with us before, thank you for coming back. For those of you who are new to the channel, please feel free to subscribe. And this has been another fun, exciting grab bag special. This is the DIY Magician. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye now. I got my collection now. Woohoo! Ta-da!